Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to easily find your current Windows 10 key. I don't intend for this video to get extremely long, so I'm going to try to explain this quickly and efficiently. One thing before we get going is that this code is copied directly from a certain article on a certain website. So let me show you the website, WinHelp Online. I will also link this in the description. In case this method for some reason doesn't work for you, they have another one listed right here. Let's get into it. First, I want you to click this little search button and type in Notepad. Open that up, and you're going to copy and paste everything from the description into here, at least everything in between the smiley faces. Should look like this. We'll start with option explicit and end with end function. Next, I want you to follow what I say for saving this. So click File, Save As. You can name it whatever you want. Get Key is a good one, but go ahead with whatever. But make sure that you end it with .vbs. Save that. There it is. You can close this. And now we have this. I think double clicking it works. But I just prefer to click right click and then open. Now it gives me my key, which I probably have blocked out. And it also gives me the option to save this as a file. If you plan on upgrading in the future, it's a good idea to save this file. Oh. Okay, this is my antivirus. I'm going to allow it. Let's try again. Yeah, see? Now it saves my little Windows key at a little file. But I was not expecting my antivirus to do that. Thank you for watching. If you want to support us helping people in the future, it would be nice if you hit that like button and maybe subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section of